Hello and welcome back to the Leo English channel. I'm your host, Leo, and if you've ever felt your heart pound like this, beat beat, just at the thought of speaking English, if your palms get sweaty, your mind goes blank, and you feel that sudden, powerful fear, then you are absolutely not alone. I want you to think about a time you wanted to say something in English, maybe to a foreign colleague or in a shop, or even just to practice with a friend, but you stayed silent. You chose silence over making a possible mistake. Sound familiar? That fear, my friends, is so common it has a name. Glossophobia, the fear of public speaking. But when you're learning a new language, it's even more intense. It's not just about speaking in public, it's about being judged, sounding silly, or not being perfect. Well, in this episode, we're going to tackle that fear head on. We're not just going to talk about it, we're going to give you a practical, powerful tool you can use today to start breaking it down. This isn't about becoming perfect, it's about becoming confident. So let's begin. First, let's understand why we feel this fear. It's primal. Our brains are hardwired to want to belong to a tribe. Thousands of years ago, being rejected from the tribe meant danger. Speaking differently and making mistakes, your subconscious mind can sometimes see that as a social risk, triggering a fight or flight response. That's the science behind the sweaty palms. But here's the crucial mindset shift you must make. When you speak English, you are not being judged as a person, you are being admired for your courage. Think about it. When you hear someone trying to speak your native language, even with mistakes, what do you feel? You feel impressed. You want to help them. You think, wow, they're brave. Native English speakers feel the exact same way when you speak to them. They are not judges. They are potential allies. Your goal is communication, not perfection. You don't need to speak like a Shakespearean actor. You just need to connect. Remember, done is better than perfect. A simple, clear sentence with a small mistake is infinitely more powerful than a perfect, silent sentence that never leaves your mouth. Okay, let's get practical. I want to give you my simple 3-step method to start building your confidence right now. It's called the PPA method. Prepare, practice, act. Step 1. Prepare. The safety net. Fear often comes from the unknown, so let's create a known. I want you to prepare islands of confidence. These are small sets of phrases and sentences you know perfectly for very specific situations. For example, hello, can I get a large coffee with milk, please? Thank you. Have a nice day. I didn't understand. Could you please repeat that? Could you speak a little slower, please? Small talk island. How was your weekend? It was good, thanks. I just relaxed. How about you? You don't need to know everything. You just need a few safe islands to step onto. Write down 2 or 3 of your own islands after this episode. Step 2. Practice in a safe zone. This is where you build muscle memory without any pressure. You need to hear yourself speak. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing while cooking. I am cutting the vegetables. The water is boiling. Shadowing. Listen to a short audio clip from a movie or this podcast and repeat it immediately after, trying to copy the rhythm and sounds. Use a recording app on your phone. It feels awkward at first, but it's the fastest way to get comfortable with the sound of your own English voice. Now, if you're finding this helpful, I have a small request that will massively boost your progress. We're building a community of confident English speakers on our YouTube channel, and your support makes all the difference. Please take a quick second right now to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you're not just supporting this channel, you're giving yourself a constant stream of free, practical lessons delivered right to your feed. You'll never miss a new tool to help you overcome your fear. Let's build this confident community together. Now, let's get back to our final step. All right, welcome back. You prepared your islands, you practiced in private. Now for the most important part. Step 3. Act. Take the leap. This is the scariest but most rewarding step. You have to use your English in a real, low-stakes situation. The goal here is not a flawless conversation. The goal is survival. Did you communicate? Then you won. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Option A, easy. Go to a coffee shop and use your prepared order. Just one sentence. Option B, medium. Leave a comment on this video in English. Just one sentence about your fear of speaking. Option C, pro. Find a language exchange partner online and send a voice message saying, "Hello, how are you?" That's it. One small action. Every time you do this, you are telling your brain, "I survived. It was okay," and that fear gets a little smaller. Remember, confidence isn't something you find. It's something you build, brick by brick, sentence by sentence. So, let's recap. 1. Change your mindset. You are brave, not being judged. 2. Use the PPA method. Prepare your islands, practice in private, and act in a low-stakes situation. Your mission is to take one small action this week. Your voice matters. Your ideas matter. Don't let the pursuit of perfect English silence the amazing person you are. Confidence is just a few small, brave conversations away. Thank you so much for listening. This is Leo from the Leo English channel, reminding you to keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.